The name's Bond, James Bond. I never joke about my work, 007. It's 007, not 007. I always enjoyed studying a new tongue. No, Mr. Bond, I expect you to die. The world is not enough. I must be dreaming. I think he got the point. I've got a license to kill. Women want him, men want to be him. Now let's break down and look at what we can learn from Mr. Bond. Okay, so I never joke about my work. About, okay, is something we use when talking about something. It's regarding the topic. Okay, so let's talk about philosophy. Okay, I expect you to die. Expect translates as one verb in Italian and Spanish, also as wait. Okay, so I'm waiting for the bus is one thing. Or if you expect something to happen, it's like an expectation. Okay? The world is not enough. Simply the pronunciation of enough. Many students say enauge because, or nog, because it's the G, okay, it's silent. I always enjoy studying a new tongue, okay? Studying, ing, gerund form after enjoy, because enjoy is a preference verb. So I enjoy swimming, playing tennis, okay? Also tongue, again, the pronunciation, tongue. I must be dreaming, must. I've done other videos on this, must, have to, should. It basically, must is understood by many of my students in one way, but it has two meanings, okay? So must, it's mandatory. That's one sense, no? You must not smoke on the train, for example. But also when we suppose something to be the case, so we could say, I suppose I'm dreaming. Okay, it's the same, but we tend to use I must be dreaming. It's when we don't know, it's not certain, but we suppose that to be the case. Another example, learning 5 languages must be difficult. Maybe it's not. Maybe you're really good at learning languages and it's easy, okay? But you suppose it to be the case. I think he got the point. Get, I've done ebooks on get because it's used in many different ways, and other videos specifically on get. But in this sense, so I think he got the point could mean either to understand, so he understood the point, or if he's physically aiming something like an arrow or something and he hit the point. Okay, so to reach or hit the point. I've got a license to kill. So we can say in English, I have a license to kill, but we can also say I have got. Don't ask me why, because, okay, so for example, I have a sister. I have got a sister. It's the same. Okay, and the last one. Women want him, men want to be him. Women and men. Again, even advanced students get confused with one woman, 2 women, 1 man, many men, or men in general. Okay? So, I think you would agree that Bond reminds us here that sometimes you can win with a sharp suit and a sharp mind. Sometimes you lose, but you never lose your cool. And that's a real license to win.